Hello students, now this is a fairly simple question. We need the value of this summation. Now if you look, let us say we assign this summation a value y. Okay, now what we do is, let's say we subtract it by 3 and take its inverse. So this summation becomes, we subtract it by 3, correct? So the 3 is removed, that is 3, this is gone, and we take its inverse, so that becomes 4 plus 1 by, correct? And 1 by, if you look closely, we have 3 plus again, and if you look carefully, the entire terms is the repetition of the first two terms in the series. So what we can say is, if we assign this summation a value y, we get the repetition of y after the first step, in this case that is after we take the division, and once we have that, we write y is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by y. Once we have that, we equate them and we get y in the form of an equation, and we find out the roots of y. Now y has roots 12 plus or minus 8 root 3 by 8, and this is great, and this implies y is 3 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. This is a simplified form, and once we have that, we get again y is equals to 1.5 plus or minus root 3. We divide each term by 2. Now this is the value that we get because there is no negative sign in the middle. So if we look at option D, this is our answer. Thank you.